In this video, we'll take a deep dive into different model tools available in the work view, so you can increase your labeling speed by orders of magnitude. To begin with, we'll look at segmentation tasks using SAM and Auto-Annotate in images and then in videos. We'll round things out with Auto-Track, which can be used for automated object tracking in videos using either polygons or bounding boxes. The V7 workview is equipped with two foundation models for segmentation tasks. You can hit N on your keyboard and select from the drop-down menu in the top left. Your preferred model will be saved. The first model available is Meta's SAM model, which will create embeddings on the file which are stored as the possible masks for the image. As a user, you can then point and click to select which embeddings you'd like to use, and click to add positive and negative points to edit the boundaries of the created mask. Now, V7's Auto-Annotate model can be pointed at a specific section of an image to create a polygon by drawing a loose bounding box around the object of interest. Like SAM, you can click to add positive and negative points to refine the created polygon. Both models are trained on millions of images and are class agnostic, but they will work particularly well on well-defined objects, which have a high degree of contrast against their surroundings. For use cases where this is not the case, you may find it necessary to use the brush tool to refine the polygons that the model creates. To do this, hit V on your keyboard to select the polygon using the Edit tool. Then hit F or E to equip the brush or eraser. Use the square brackets to adjust the brush tip head and hit Enter to save your changes. Segmentation in videos works similarly to images. However, we need to account for changes to an object in each frame where the object changes shape or position. Watch through the very end of this video for some more information on auto-label, which will make this process even more streamlined. To segment an object in a video, create a label on the first frame where it appears, and adjust the label length in the timeline. You can set the default length of the annotations you create by opening the hamburger menu. We have created an annotation using the Segment Anything model in frame 1. After creating our initial annotation, click on the centroid and select Edit Auto-Annotate. Hit Option plus Enter to move forward and edit each subsequent frame, adding positive and negative points as needed. Now, if you create the same polygon with Auto-Annotate, we can create an initial annotation and then hit Edit Auto-Annotate. Hit Period to move forward frame by frame, and hit Rerun with each new frame, editing as you go. This way of annotating can take a lot of time, so let's look at our final tool of the video. Let's look at how we can use Auto-Track to automate a huge amount of the work that goes into video labeling. Auto-Track uses a machine learning model to track complex movements and changes in direction, offering more accurate tracking compared to the straight line approach of linear interpolation. Whenever possible, use Auto-Track in your video annotation tasks to reduce manual effort and fatigue. From here on, you can edit each detail as described before. We hope this video could help you with getting started with V7.